How we going on, guys? Back at it again on the Mark II. Some more rust repair and clean up. Try and get this section cleaned up today. And then, no doubt, we'll find some holes somewhere and start plugging them up. Let's get into it. It's a great start. Bastard. At least now my bumper's protected. So after clearing that up, which went everywhere, we then crack on with cutting out some of the main areas of damage. So you can see we're whizzing that out, cut a new plate, weld it in, grind it back, weld it again, grind it back, and so on and so forth. It's a bit tedious with this thin metal, but patience is key. And then you can see here I started grinding back the backside of that new plate, which then showed that the rust went a lot further than I thought, so we ended up cutting that out. Then moving on, same process, weld, grind, weld, grind, weld, grind. So we're just taking out the pinholes. We're trying not to get too much heat into this at the same time. And that's sort of the final weld after the couple of goes before. Ground back, paint it up, and away we go. On to the next one.